Hi, I'm Terry Gray, Director of the Rhode Island Department of Environmental Management. Team building is important to us, both in individual programs and across the entire department. DEM's 5C Week is an annual employee engagement event full of celebrating each other and recognizing our shared commitment to our vision and mission. It's a great opportunity for DEM staff to reconnect with one another, highlight the value of our work, and create a more positive workplace. Although the meaning of the C's changed from year to year, this year the 5 C's stood for clean, cohorts, connect, canines, and celebrate. Every division plays an important part in our mission, and seeing it all coming together during 5C Week is awesome. I love seeing the creativity and enthusiasm that our staff display as we take the time annually to strengthen our team and focus on our collective mission.
My name is Michaela Brockman. I work in the Office of Customer and Technical Assistance. C that I think is the most important is community. It's really exciting when you see people getting together for our Connect days, doing something different outside of the box, learning a little more about one another, and especially learning about what we do. To hear other people explain some parts of their jobs and to see the excitement and the passion, it really does bring us together as a community.
Hi, I'm Jack from the Division of Agriculture. 5C Week helps the Division of Agriculture by allowing me and others to engage with each other in a non-work capacity. It allows us to build that relationship and personal buy-in with each other where we're learning about each other and also understanding our coworkers' backgrounds, what they have going on outside of work and their experiences, and allows for us to communicate more effectively when we get back into the job setting.
We at the DEM hope that 5C Week inspires you.